I just wanna chill and twist a lot. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't wanna see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby. Girl, it's easy to love me now.
This shit was all I knew. You and me only. I did it all for you. Still you were lonely. We could've worked it out. But I
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Make sure y'all subscribe. That's not even my intro, but hey. Anyways, as y'all can tell, I said I'm doing a maintenance vlog. First step in my maintenance vlog is dyeing my hair back black. Yeah, first step is dyeing my hair back black because this faded out red is not it. So we're in the beauty supply store now looking for black dye to dye my hair back black. Yeah, this is what you use? Yep.
Yeah. You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I meant it more, girl. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You got potential, I can't explain it. You're so persuasive, I made some changes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Cause I've been sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you here instead. I gotta get out of my own head. Don't let me down, come here right now. Yeah. Don't let me down, come here right now. Grow up and face it, don't keep me waiting. You love me how you love me, then just say it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Girl, what's the hold up? Come take me over. You came the closest, we should be closer. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I've been sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you here instead. I gotta get out of my own head. Don't let me down, come here right now. Yeah. Don't let me down, come here right now.
That's nuts, Lily.
What's left of us? What's left of our lives? It's only you, it's only me, it's only us at the end of the night. I remember when you couldn't tell me a thing. Now you talk so much it drives me insane. But you could do something great. So what can I say to you? When I'm up there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad.
Y'all, it's like 4 o'clock in the morning actually. Cause it was like 3:50 when I looked at my camera when I finished, I think. Who knows what time it is, honestly. Y'all ever had some like all black small knowledge? It's so low. It just feels so good to have my black hair back because y'all know I was hating my hair once it wasn't red no more. Like, it was just ugly, it was damaged, like it just wasn't giving it. But I'm gonna come back tomorrow when I'm getting ready and stuff like that and getting my nails done. I might make this into like a maintenance plus mini vlog because I'm going to work, and also I'm going to the harbor on Friday. I just got a lot of stuff to do, so I don't know how I'm gonna make this vlog, but it's gonna be giving something, pretty much something.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm looked up on a cloudy day, way too breezy, streets cold while I'm making my way. Can't tell me now about stress when I'm trying to get paid. Can't tell me now about stress when the clouds bring rain. I don't know what to tell you, baby. You being healthy, baby. I'm trying to do my thing, but you're holding me back. Just trying to do my thing, but you're holding me back.
Are we really sure? Kind of love that lasted for so long. Still endure. Do I really care? Hey, hey, let's talk about the distractions going on elsewhere. In the dark, oh, in the dark. Footsteps, baby, in the dark, oh, in the dark.
this is a couple of days later. I never ended off my video because after I was finished recording, I just had a lot to do. And as y'all know, I do work now. I think I told y'all. I'm not sure. I haven't posted in a long time. But I do work now and also do school. So it just be a lot going on top of me. Still trying to film and stuff. So I just really exhausted. So that's why I really haven't posted in so long. But I am trying to get back to y'all content because it's been like a month, y'all. I never took a month to post no videos. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. If y'all want to see another maintenance video like this, comment down below or DM me, and I'll see y'all in the next one.